One of the greatest assets to any organization is customer data. Leveraging data, teams can unlock deep customer insights and build personalized digital experiences. Meet Steven. He's the head of data at a large company trying to use their data to grow faster. Over the last few months, Steven's team has built pipelines to collect, organize, and store data centrally in their data warehouse. It's a big breakthrough. For the first time, his company has a single source of truth for their customer data. And now they want to use it for more than just dashboards and static reports. They want to take action on it. But there's a problem. It's difficult to send warehouse data to an ever-growing list of applications like CRMs, ad platforms, or lifecycle marketing tools. Steven could assign engineers to build and manage these integrations, but he knows that doing so is time-consuming and expensive. He needs a better way. Luckily, there's Hightouch. Hightouch is a reverse ETL platform that makes it easy to activate customer data. Simply connect your data warehouse, define a model either with SQL or no-code audience builder. Pick from over 100 pre-built integrations and start syncing data in minutes. No APIs or CSVs needed. With Hightouch, data teams have an easy, scalable way to get data to the tools business teams use every day. That means marketers can build personalized omni-channel campaigns leveraging granular customer data, while sales teams can close deals faster by monitoring for upsell opportunities and setting up alerts for specific actions in the buyer journey. Thanks to Hightouch, Steven's data team can now spend their time more efficiently, while empowering marketing and sales teams with the data they need to grow the business even faster. Activate your data in less than 5 minutes. Yep, it's that easy. Visit hightouch.com and get started today.